Welcome to section 6, part A to B. So we're going to finish up the rest of part 2, which is to finish adding the icons here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this little plus icon here, and we're going to select this time 3 sections. So not 4, sorry. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on here, and if we click on the container here, we should be able to adjust the there should be an option. Yeah, so we're going to set these all to 33% in the section here, so they all take up the exact same space. Yep, cool. So now we've done that. So you do that by clicking on the little icon up here, and it'll be in layout and just setting the section width to 33. It'll automatically be on default on %. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing as we did before. We're going to click on the widgets icon. We're going to click on image. Going to add the image. So we're going to click on image size and set it to medium. I'm going to click on the image, and this one's the one with the laptop called online counseling. I'm going to select that. And then what we're going to do is click on this little widget icon here, type in text, and we're going to, this one is online counseling. So we're going to go online counseling, click on style, set the alignment to center, click on content, what's it called? Highlight this, and then click on the paragraph section and change it to heading 5. We may need to, I don't think we need to modify this, we'll find out. It should be just fine. So now what we're going to do is do the same thing, click on widgets, click on image, set the image size to medium, click on choose image, and next one is the personal counseling image, which is just this one here. And we're going to do the same thing, click on text editor, type in, hover over this, personal counseling, hover over this, click on H5, go to style, click on alignment, and that one's done. And then the last one is this one here. We're going to click on image, and click on choose image, and it's this one, relationship counseling. Click on select, and we're going to click on this, I'm going to click on text editor. Now, we've got a little bit of a problem here where this one is a little bit, it's a little bit too high. Let's have a look. These images are smaller. Oh, that's because we went to image size. We need to set it to medium. There it goes. So that fixed that. Good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change this one to relationship counseling, and hover over it or highlight it, change it from H5, go to style, go to alignment, and that's it. That's this section done. Now the reason that I sometimes work zoomed out is that a lot of the times when you're zoomed out, it's easier to see how the page will look. Because when you look at it on, say, here, you'll notice things more when it's zoomed out than when it's zoomed in. So that was the end of this, creating this section here. The next bit is going to be section 6, part 3, where we're going to finish up by adding this section here. So we're just going to move on to that part now.